The outer shape of your ear is as unique as your fingerprints. No other ear in the world has the same shape as yours. Did you know that your brain can store up to 2.5 gigabytes of memories? You could save up to 300 years of video. Did you know you have an aura? Your body projects a series of lights and gases that continuously surround us. This is imperceptible to the human eye, but it can be captured through certain special cameras. An adult has fewer bones than a baby. At birth, all human beings have more than 300 bones in their bodies. As we grow, some of these bones fuse together, forming 206. When a pregnant woman experiences a failure in one of her organs, the fetus inside her has the ability to send stem cells to the damaged organ to help it heal. The acid in your stomach is so powerful that it could dissolve metal. The human body has a vast number of blood vessels. If we were to stretch them out in a straight line, they would reach 96,560 kilometers. This is more than double the circumference of our planet. You produce enough saliva in a day to almost completely fill a 2-liter soda bottle. Not only your vocal cords are responsible for your voice, your tongue plays a crucial role. It takes on all sorts of positions and movements to produce the right sounds from your mouth. When your parents conceived you, there was a small explosion in your body. When the egg is fertilized by the sperm, it releases tiny particles of zinc. The more sparkling the sparks, the greater the chances of the embryo developing. An average person has up to 67 species of bacteria in their belly button. If we were to talk about the eye's resolution like that of a camera, it would be approximately 576 megapixels. Not all your tears are the same. Your body produces different types of tears depending on the occasion. Each type looks different under a microscope. These are tears of sadness, these are from happiness, and these are caused by cutting an onion. This is how the face of a fetus evolves inside the womb. We all looked like this at one point. Humans are the only species that blush. In fact, when we turn red, it's not just our face, it's also our stomach. When you are awake, your brain produces enough electricity to power a light bulb. If you were to flatten all the wrinkles in your brain, it would be the size of a pillowcase. Your nose can recognize up to 1 trillion different scents. All your organs need oxygen, and they obtain it through the blood. The only part of your body that does not get oxygen in this way is the cornea. It receives its oxygen from the outside air. 50% of the strength of your hand comes from your pinky finger. The smallest finger on this extremity is responsible for providing the necessary grip to lift, move, or even hold something. Without it, it would be much more complicated. Being on the opposite side of the thumb, it balances the strength of the whole hand. These little dots you see on your tongue are called papillae. They contain very sensitive microscopic hairs called cilia. The cilia send messages to the brain to help you recognize if what you tasted is sweet, sour, salty, or bitter. An average person has about 10,000 papillae that regenerate every 2 weeks. As you age, they do not regenerate in the same way. An elderly person has only about 5,000. There is enough fat in your body to make 7 bars of soap. Like a trained army, your immune system has groups of cells ready to fight against certain kinds of diseases. White blood cells are there to defend you from any illness. Your hair is so strong that it could support the weight of up to 12 tons without breaking. Tell me, what do you think? I'll read you in the comments.